So hello everyone, today I will be solving the SQL problem from the HackerRank website. So the first 1 to 5 questions are very much easy. So I will be focusing on from the 6th question and I will be continuing all the questions from the HackerRank SQL. Okay, so let's start. So the question is, query the list of city names starting with vowels and ending with the A-E-I-O-U and from station table, and your result cannot contain duplicates. We have a station table here, you can see, and we have to extract the city name, and there should not be duplicates. So we all know to avoid the duplicates we use distinct keywords. So let's start coding it. Select distinct city from station, where and now. So the condition is the name should be starting with vowel. So it's a, we all know there is a keyword called like. That is, whenever you have to search something in a string, we use like keyword. And let's suppose, so starting must be A-I-O-U. So here we are also going to use OR operator so that we can give all the vowels, like all the 5 vowels. So let's see, A starting with, so where city like, let's write everything in capital, city like, percent starting with A. Okay, so let's say A percent or city like, better if I write in a single quote, city like A percent or city like. So we will write all those code here, city like E percent or city like AEI percent or city like it should be AEIO percent. Again there is another U keyword you have to write from the vowel, U city like U percent. That's it, and let's run it. So basically here A is like a first, and after percent I have given means the first letter must be A. After that it can be anything. There is no rule here. So let's run this program and let's see if you get the output. It's taking time. Oh, there is an error. Station is an undefined name. Oh, STATION. This is correct only, right? Let's run this again. Now I have changed the spelling. It should be there, like, because they have given a station. Yeah, it's correct. Now we can also submit the code and we can see the test cases, have you passed or not. And it's running actually. Yeah, we have passed all the test cases. You can see here we have passed all the test cases. That's it guys, and I will be meeting you in the next video with solving the next question.